If you are paying for an AI subscription, Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, any of them, there is a good chance you are not getting anywhere close to the value you are paying for. Not because the tool is not powerful, but because of how most people use it. They open it, type a question, get an answer, close it. That is not using AI. That is using a very expensive search engine. In this video, I am going to show you what AI is actually capable of when you use it the right way, as a genuine partner in how you work, not just a question answering machine. These techniques work across every major AI tool. Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, the principles are identical. AI is not Google. Stop treating it like one. When you search Google, you type keywords and look for a link. When you use AI the right way, you have a conversation, you give context, you push back, you ask follow-up questions. You treat it like a smart colleague who has read everything, remembers everything, and is completely focused on you, with no ego, no agenda, and unlimited patience. The people getting the most value from AI are not the ones asking the best questions. They are the ones having the best conversations. Technique 1, give context, not commands. Most people type what they want. Write this. Summarize that. The output is generic because the input is generic. Here is the reframe. Do not tell AI what to produce. Tell it who you are, what you are dealing with, and what good looks like for you. Instead of, write an email about a missed deadline. Try this. I am a project manager. My manager values directness and hates surprises. A vendor delay pushed our deadline by 2 weeks. I want to sound accountable without being apologetic. Help me think through how to frame this before I write anything. I did not ask it to write the email. I asked it to help me think. What comes back is a framework, the structure, the tone, what not to say. Then I write the email in my own voice. The output sounds like me because it is me. AI just helped me get there faster. Technique 2, the system prompt. Most people never discover this. Every time you open a new AI conversation, you start from zero. The AI knows nothing about you. You either explain yourself every time or you get generic output every time. A system prompt fixes this permanently. You write it once. It tells the AI exactly who you are and how you want it to engage, before the conversation even starts. Here is one I actually use. You are a strategic advisor to a senior technology leader. Communicate directly. Avoid jargon. Challenge my assumptions before offering solutions. And if I am about to make a mistake, tell me directly. That last instruction is the one most people leave out. Without it, AI agrees with almost everything you say. With it, it pushes back. And that pushback is where the real value is. In Claude, go to Settings, find Custom Instructions, paste it there. In ChatGPT, same location. In Copilot, Microsoft 365 settings. Set it once. Every conversation benefits automatically. Technique 3, AI connects to your entire workflow. This is where most tutorials stop short. The AI tools you are already paying for are not just chat windows. They connect to the tools you use every day. Microsoft Copilot connects directly to your emails, calendar, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and Teams conversations. You can ask it to summarize your inbox from the last 3 days, draft a reply based on an entire email thread, pull data from a spreadsheet and turn it into a presentation. Schedule a meeting based on everyone's availability. That is not answering questions. That is your AI partner working inside your actual workflow. Claude connects to Google Drive, your browser, and your documents. ChatGPT does the same through its integrations. The question to ask yourself right now is not what can I ask AI? It is, what am I doing manually every week that AI could be doing for me inside the tools I already have? That reframe alone is worth the price of any subscription you are paying. Technique 4, the master prompt. Build it once, use it forever. A master prompt is a reusable template for any task you do repeatedly. Here is a real example for writing performance feedback. Name, insert name. Role, insert role. Key achievement, insert achievement. Development area, insert area. Write feedback that is honest, specific, and human, not generic praise or corporate language. The person receiving this should feel seen, not processed. Fill in the blanks, paste it in. Done in 2 minutes instead of 20. And it sounds human every time because the instructions demand it. Build master prompts for your recurring tasks, weekly updates, client briefs, meeting agendas. The upfront investment is 30 minutes. The return is ours every week. One honest thing before I close, knowing how to use AI well personally is one thing. Deciding when your organization should adopt it, what it costs, how to govern it, how to lead your team through it without losing what makes your culture human, that is a different conversation. I wrote a book about exactly that. Before You Say Yes to AI. Link is in the description. And if this gave you something useful today, subscribe to Human First Focus. I share what I am learning about AI, work, and putting people first, one video at a time. See you in the next one.